So this is it. His phone number she or he used. So be careful. Okay. So this is it. So many account under Prince Hamdan Fasa's name is using +63 code. So the 63 code is Filipino. So be careful everyone. Have a nice day. So this one, I want to block this one. I don't want to see this one because this is Filipino. Also this one I only unfollow because they are connected. So I am cleaning my Facebook account under his name because they are imposters using Prince Hamdan Fasa's photo. So good luck. So good morning everyone. I have unfollowed this some profile of this highness. So because I follow some follow back the followers, so I have seen this and I check this one. Take a look. I try to check. So guys, be careful because this number he used is +63. So meaning the owner of this account is Filipino. So guys, be careful. A lot of scams under his name. So be careful guys. So have a nice day and God bless. God always with us and protect us from the evil eyes. God bless. Bye-bye.